A very good morning, students. I, Asad Patel, welcome you to study from home. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 11, Sunita in Space, class 5, subject EVS. Okay, uh, starting from the heart. Here, two children talking to each other. What they are talking, let me read. What do you think the earth look like? Make a drawing of the earth in notebook. On your drawing, show where you are. Take a look at your friend's drawing too. Okay, here uh, they talk about shape of earth. Okay, and they try to locate where we are. Okay, what is our earth really like? Uzaira and Samir are playing with the globe. Now what is globe? Globe is a model of earth which give you idea about the earth, as well as globe is very useful to locate places, to locate country, ocean and continent, right? Globe has a different in size. Okay, now what is Uzera said? Do you know that Sunita William is visiting our school? Now who is Sunita Williams? Sunita Williams is an astronaut who travel in a space. Okay, before Sunita Williams, Kalpana Chawla was also an astronaut who was a first Indian who travel space. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian who travel in a space. Okay, as well as she was a first woman, not Indian but also first woman. So Sunita Williams spent 6 months in a space. So Sunita Williams is going to visit a school of these two children, and she will share her experience. Samir, look at the globe. Look, here is America, Africa. Hey, where is space? So, as I told you, globe is useful to locate continent, countries, and oceans. Now, they are talking about space. Now, what is space? Where is space? Space is a place where star, moon, and 8 planets are there. Okay. The sky, stars, and sun. Uzaira said, the sky, stars, sun and moon, they are all in space. Okay, means our solar family is a consist of sun, asteroid, meteoroid, satellite, 8 planets. Okay, and their moons. Okay, so they form our solar system. So space is a place where our solar system is located. Samir, yes, I know. Sunita Williams went in a space. I saw on TV that she could see the earth from there. Okay. Uzaira, yes, from there the earth looked like this globe. As I told you, the shape of earth is spherical. Samir, if our earth look like this globe, then where are we? Uzaira, take a pen and place it on the globe. Means Samir want to know where our country is. Okay, and then Uzaira uh, let him know that here we are. This is India. Samir, if we were here like this, we would all fall off. I think we must be inside the globe. See, this these children were very curious. No, they were confused that earth is spherical in shape. You can see here, and India is here. So he was thinking that we would fall off just because earth is spherical in shape, but we won't fall. Why we won't fall? because the force of gravity attract us toward the earth, right? Like if you see magnet, how magnet attract iron, the same, like magnet, the gravitational force attract us toward the earth. That's why we won't fall. Okay. Now Uzera reply, if we are inside, then we, where is the sky, the sun, the moon and the star? We must on a globe, and all seas and ocean must also can be on a globe. Samir, pointing toward the lower part of the globe, you mean to say that no one stay here? Okay, as I told you that the force which pull, okay, toward earth is called gravitational force. Now they are talk about star, moon and sun, and at the same time Samir asked that people live, no one stay here, means he is talking about these poles, okay, south pole and north pole. Uzera, people live here too, Brazil and Argentina are here. Okay. Uzera show him Argentina and Brazil. Okay. Samir, are the people there standing upside down? Why don't these people fall off? Okay. He was looking at Brazil, like, and he was thinking that people standing upside down, then why they don't fall? So just because of, I told you, the gravitational force pull us. Okay. Uzera, yes, it looks strange, isn't it? And this blue part, now Uzera is talking about blue part. Now what is blue part? It must be a sea. Okay, the blue part shows water bodies on earth. And for your information, we have 71% of water body on earth. Okay. Right, and only 29% of land. Got it? Now what do you think, if the earth is round like a globe, how is that we do not fall off? As I told you, gravitational force. Do the people in Argentina stand upside down? Yes, indeed, but they don't feel that they stand upside down, just because earth is spherical in shape, right? And the diameter of earth is very large, so they don't feel that they stand upside down. Now, talking with Sunita, when Sunita Williams come to India, thousands of children like Uzair and Samir got chance to meet her, right? Now, as I told you, Sunita Williams is an astronaut who visit space. Okay. Now, when Sunita says that her friend Kalpana Chawla wanted to come to India and meet children, but unfortunately she couldn't meet children. Her dream couldn't fulfill. Why? When Kalpana Chawla returned from space, her spacecraft got crashed just because of some technical issues, some technical mistakes. Her spacecraft, her space shuttle was a crash. Now what is space shuttle? Space shuttle is a vehicle which carry people into space, right? But Sunita Williams fulfilled Kalpana Chawla's dream. Okay, her Kalpana Chawla's dream was to meet children in India, Unfortunately, as I told you, her spacecraft got crashed, so she couldn't fulfill. Instead of her, Sunita Williams fulfill her dream. Okay, Sunita experienced living in space. Now she is sharing her experience. We could not sit at one place. Why we could not sit at one place? Just because of there is no gravity in space. Remember, we have a gravity on earth, but there is no gravity in space. That's why things in a space are floating. We kept floating in the spaceship from one end to another. Okay, water as well as things. Okay, you can see her hair. Okay, her hair is turned into specks. Water too doesn't stay at one place, it float around as a bulbs. To wash our face or hand, we had to catch these blobs and wet paper with them. Okay, we ate very different there. The real fun was when all of us would float into the dining area of the spaceship and catch the floating food packet. Student, on earth we generally eat rice, dal, roti, chapati. In a space they don't have food as we have. They have a different food. Okay, they have a dry food, packet food, but not unhealthy packet food. Let me tell you this thing, they use healthy packet food, right? In a space there were no need to use comb. Like my hair keeps standing all the time. Not being able to walk, we had to get used to floating around. We had to learn to do simple things different. To stay at one place we had to strap ourselves, means they tie themselves whenever they want to stay at that place. Papers also had to be stuck to the wall of spaceship. It was lots of fun living in space, but it was also difficult, right? Obviously they had a fun, because all the things floating around, all the things floating in space, they don't have any gravitational force, right? So they enjoy a lot. They live different life as we live on earth. Okay, they could see earth as well as they could observe other things like asteroid, meteoroids, satellite. Okay, students, see this picture. This is spacecraft. See how they stuck. This is dining table. Okay, this is Sunita outside of the spaceship. Okay, spaceship, as I told you, spaceship is a vehicle which carry people to the space. Can you observe her hair? Okay, now why? Can you tell why Sunita's hair was not standing? Because no gravitational force, right? As I told you, everything float in the space. Look, Sunita's photograph and the date written on each of them. Write what all happening and when. This is student. This is a group of scientists who who went in a space. Sunita outside the spaceship, really in space, and she wear a space suit. As in a space there is neither gravitation as well as nor atmosphere, right? The atmosphere consists of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, but in space there is neither gravitation nor atmosphere. That's why they require oxygen, so they wear a space suit. Okay, so student, this is all about today. Okay, I am going to explain you more in tomorrow. Thank you.